Here's Premiere Pro. I have a text here on the timeline, but where is that text? It's not visible. So how to detect the text on your screen? Well, click on the text itself, is this pink one. Then open the Effect Controls window. If Effect Controls is not there, because you can close it, then you can open it from Window and Effect Controls. Shift 5 is the hotkey. And then here you have an eye symbol and text is written next to it. After clicking on text, the outline of that title or text will show up. So click on text and voila, there is the outline of that title. But where's the text? Well, if you move it, notice it is exactly white, just like that background. So that's why it was not visible here, but at least the outline, that one is visible. If you scroll down here at Appearance, Fill, you can change its color, let's say that one, okay. And now the text is visible, even if I deselect everything. Undo, undo. So to find your text, click on it, and in the Effect Controls window, click on Text. And the outline is showing where the text is located on the screen.